everyone, Rodel Forlis here, and welcome to Nognog in the City Reviews. For today, I'll be showing you one of the newest product from Realme, which is the Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum or Robot Vacuum. Ito na ngayon guys, this is actually a huge product and one of the newest products that you can actually purchase or is now available here in the Philippines, the Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum. Actually, I'm super excited to use this dahil medyo I got pets here in the house. So having this kind of product is really going to help me have a cleaner house. In this vlog, I'll be showing you some of the tips or tricks that you can actually use if you're going to purchase the Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum. I'll be going to show you as well how easy it is to use, how to charge, where to put it. Let's start by showing you what are the equipments or parts that you can actually check out if you unbox the Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum.
So, ito na nga guys yung ating produkto. I actually took out yung mga stickers na nakalagay dito already, and then we already installed yung sensor and the brush natin dito. Meron siyang nakalagay na sign, so make sure na dapat tama yung paglalagay nyo. This is actually the left and this one is right, so may indication naman na nakalagay dun sa paa niya. Dito yung actually mapupunta yung mga dumi. So when you unbox the Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum, it actually includes this recharger or rechargeable dock. There is also this power cable or power adapter. This one is actually the cleaning brush. Panlinis ito itong brush na to and the other parts dun sa ilalim ng ating vacuum. Actually, this is I think a filter that you can actually use as well. Parang this is a refill eh. So I'm gonna check if meron tong kasi hinahanap ko yung pang mop. Hindi ko siya nakita. So let me double check if nandun sa box. Okay, so nakalagay pala dito, it's optional. So ayun. So ibig sabihin if you can actually purchase this separately. Kabit lang natin. So, binuksan ko lang to, this one. And then, dahil I'm thinking of setting our vacuum or putting our vacuum inside the room. So, meron ako doon kasing saksakan. So, I guess I can just put it there. Yung vacuum natin. So, may lang kasi siya. So, siguro mga ganitong kakaba. And then, we're just going to insert this back inside and there. Para hindi siya masyado, para neat naman tingnan yung ating vacuum. Andito na tayo sa ating maliit na kwarto and I decided to put this robot vacuum here. Keep in mind na your robot vacuum needs space or a place for it to be na clear from other obstacles. I made sure as well na sakto yung haba nung saksakan. Okay, so this is an indication na it's already powered on. Just to give you a clear idea, this is actually yung ating dock. Ito yung parang conductor natin that should need to touch yung ating dock for this to be able to charge. Ayan. I just read the manual and it says na dapat pala ilalagay natin yung ating charging dock. Dapat meron siyang space na 0.5 meters on both sides. So, kailangan mo talaga ng clear area for this one. And 1.5 meters dito naman sa front niya. So, I think this is actually enough. Feeling ko lang enough na siguro tong area na to for my vacuum cleaner. Ayan, nakita niyo naman ako. And then, let's start charging this by pressing yung ating power cable, power button. So, press lang natin yan. Ayan.
Loading system.
Ayan. Loading system daw.
Power on.
Ang galing nun. Nagsasalita si kuya. Ay, si ate pala. Okay guys, so, for this one to recharge. Ay, ayan nangyari. Ay, nangyari. Bakit nag-start na siyang gumalaw?
Recharging.
Ayan, so recharging na si Kuya.
We are currently recharging ang ating robot vacuum there at the back. Medyo nagulat lang ako kanina kasi bigla siyang umandar. So, ayan, yung nawala na ng pwesto yung aso ko kasi usually dito siya natutulog on this area. Unfortunately, the robot vacuum needs a space. So, I give it the space here. Doon ka na lang muna isyan sa labas. We're just going to wait for it to be fully charged and then we're going to use it later. It says here na kinakailangan mong i-charge yung robot vacuum mo and it should have at least 20% charge for it to be able to function pretty well. So, honestly kanina bigla siyang gumalaw for the reason I think hinahanap niya yung kasi naka-power on siya and then I move it a little bit and then it moved. Hinahanap niya yung charging dock niya for it to dock, for it to charge. So yeah, later we're going to use ang ating robot vacuum and we'll see if it's better than the previous vacuum cleaner that I have and if it can actually be very useful, especially for those people who are really looking for a robot vacuum for their house. While waiting for our vacuum to be fully charged, this is the next thing that we should have to do is of course to download the Realme link. And we need to add this device, ang ating robot vacuum, para makontrol natin yung ating robot vacuum using our cell phone. So, hoy! Again! So, yung mga halaman ko. Ayan, ang dami kasi mga kung ano ng mga, hindi to kasama. Guys, so, one of the things that you needed to keep away are yung mga ganitong klaseng, yung mga tela na ganyan. Kasi, hihigupin niya nung machine, nung robot natin. So, wait. Meron pa tayo ditong isang basahan na nakakalat. So, I need to take this out of the floor kasi baka mamaya higupin ng ating robot vacuum. So one of the good things about this one is it can actually go under those spaces. Guys, diba? O hindi na siya malinis. Okay guys, so we're still here inside the room. Akala ko lalabas na siya diretso but unfortunately it went inside again. Kasi nga sinusukat niya or the robot vacuum is making sure if nasukat niya perfectly yung kwarto natin. What can you say? Ishan? No. Takot ka sa robot? Ano na siya? Ito actually yung area ng ng dog namin. So dito siya natutulog usually. So this is one of the area na medyo talagang madumi for me. Okay, so ito yung sinasabi kong medyo ayan, so yun na nga. It went through, guys. Ayan. I was actually telling you about this area sa ating sa ating living area and sahig natin dito. Medyo mataas yung kasi before there was may harap kasi ito dati. So, tinanggal. Siyempre, hindi na natin napaayos. So, magkaiba sila ng area. So, ito yung medyo worry ko about the vacuum. But, luckily, it was able to do it or to clean it or to go down on it. So, merong ginagawa ng vacuum natin. Kasi meron din dito kahon on the side. Hindi ko alam kung mas-stuck siya or what. So, meron siyang parang
Brush bar may be stuck.
Ayan,
Please
so,
check.
So, nagka-problem because sabi ko nga, di ba kanina, pagka merong mga ganitong klase na like yung may mga basahan kayo na nakakalat sa bahay. Ito yung nangyari sa ating vacuum cleaner. So, one of the things that you really need to do before you go and start cleaning is to make sure na walang mga debris na dadaanan yung ating vacuum cleaner. Just like this one. So, we need to take this out. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi kong problema with our flooring kasi hindi talaga sila pantay. But luckily, the vacuum cleaner was able to go up
sa parang stair na to. Medyo malaki yung uwang niya.
Siyempre, habang naglilinis ang ating robot vacuum cleaner, dito sa buong bahay, ako muna ay magtatanghalian. Kakain muna tayo ng lunch while we're monitoring ang ating vacuum cleaner. Okay ba yan, guys? Okay, one of the things that I super love about this vacuum cleaner is that it can actually go under the chairs and clean it. Kasi ito yung mga hard to reach areas na hindi ko talaga nalilinis minsan. Okay guys, just to give you an idea about some of the functions of our Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum, you can actually just check the box and it actually indicates here kung ano-ano yung mga capabilities of our robot vacuum. So it says here that this has a 2-in-1 vacuum and a mopping function. So this is actually optional kasi you can purchase an extra mop if you want to use that. It has a LiDAR, smart mapping and navigation system. So this is really important, yung LiDAR smart mapping function system. This actually makes this vacuum or robot vacuum cleaner very efficient because it actually have this capability of detecting the walls or yung mga tipong areas kung saan maaaring mabunggo yung ating robot vacuums. Okay, it also have a customized home cleaning plan, intelligent surface adaptation technology. It has a 300 ml smart electronic water tank. It got the 3000 PA ultimate suction. Kasi I've been using different vacuum cleaners already. If I'm not mistaken, this is actually my fourth. What I really love about this one is that yung suction nito is really strong. Auto recharge and resume. So this is actually another function that I truly love. Kasi pagka pinos mo yung ating vacuum cleaner, it can, or you wanted to charge muna, it can automatically go back to this docking pad or docking or sa kanyang docking area, and then it will recharge itself. It got the 38 high precision sensors, a 500 and 5200 mAh big battery, and of course low noise operation. With the span of a few minutes of cleaning those two areas, I want to show you yung accumulated dirt na nakuha ng ating vacuum cleaner already. Kasi as to how I see it, sobrang dami na niyang nakuha. Nakita nyo guys? To do that, all we need to do is just to remove yung ating main brush buckle. Ito yon, yung cover buckle natin dito. Just press this two button here down. Tapos let's take out yung ating main brush. And you can actually use yung ating cleaning brush for us to clean this, yung mga extra natin dito, extra hair or dirt or dust na accumulated on this main brush natin. Meron din tong parang comb-like. So I think you can use it here as well. For us to take out yung ating dustbin, all you need to do is just yan, meron ditong button sa ilalim guys. Ito dito. You just press it para ma-release yung ating dustbin. Meron actually extra filter dito na kasali sa box, and you can change this siguro for a few months. Pag siguro nakita na natin na medyo sobrang dumi na ng filter natin, you need to do is just to press this button para bumukas yung ating dustbin. Okay, so eto na guys yung na-accumulate nating dirt from the two rooms that was cleaned. And I also saw na meron ditong mga medyo malalaking materials like this one, yung mga parang bato-bato, and it's nice that it can actually suck as well those kind of materials. So just need to throw this out. Ayan. Okay, so it's clean once again and we are going to return it back. Okay guys, you know what? I just found out that our Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum Cleaner can work hand in hand using Alexa and Google at home. So this is our Google Assistant. This is actually great news because I'm trying to have as much as possible gadgets that can actually be controlled by Google Assistant.
After cleaning yung ating living area, prinis ko yung recharge dun sa application. So it automatically look for the docking spot. So, tanggalin natin itong chinelas na nakaharang. So, tingnan natin kung didiretso siya dun sa kanyang docking area. So, yan, nakahanap na. Hello. Takot siya. Oops. No. Sira. Natanggal. Tingnan natin kung sakto.
Recharging.
Success! Tapos na tayong maglinis ng buong bahay. Hindi pala ako yung naglinis. Yung aking Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum pala naglinis ng buong bahay. And ako ay nakapaligo na rin. Ayan, hindi tayo nagpalit ng damit. Siyempre for continuity purposes. Pero naligo na tayo, guys. Ayan, of course, ang major question natin is the Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum for everyone? Well, honestly saying, for me, no. Kasi if you got a really small place, why buy this kind of product, diba? Kung maliit lang naman yung bahay ninyo, it will take more space in your area. But if you got a huge house or a big flooring, ika nga nila, and quite difficult to clean, well, having the Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum would be such an awesome idea. I super love how it can easily map the whole area. Sobrang dali rin itong gamitin. I love the flexibility of putting the off-limits spaces. Gusto ko rin yung idea na malaki yung ano niya, yung dustbin niya. Ibig sabihin nun, if malaki yung dustbin, mas maraming dirt ang makuha before you're going to clean the vacuum cleaner. And lastly, I super love how easy it is to use. With just a few clicks, you could be able to clean the whole house. Of course, ang pinakihintay ng lahat, magkano nga ba ang SRP ng ating Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum? Well, ang ating Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum ay nagkakahalaga ng 16,990 pesos. But hep, if bibili kayo starting October 22 ng Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum, well, there will be a 3,000 discount for every purchase of this product. Napaka-generous talaga ng Realme, guys. Yes, just check out Shopee and Lazada to get the discount. Ayan. Of course, available din naman ito sa lahat ng Realme authorized stores nationwide. I hope this video has been very helpful for you to decide if you're going to purchase this kind of product. I hope you learned something, and of course, if you do, please don't forget to follow me here on YouTube. Put a thumbs up on this video, and of course, on the comment section down below, let me know what can you say or what do you think about the product or the Realme Techlife Robot Vacuum. Until next time, this is Nognog in the City. Ciao.